How to add or remove a user folder in the navigation pane of File Explorer in Windows 10. Want quick access to your personal files like pictures, documents, and downloads? That's what the user folder in Windows 10's File Explorer is for. It also keeps your custom settings so everything feels just right when you sign in. In this video, we'll walk you through how to manage the user folder and fix common issues along the way. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to add or remove the user folder from the navigation pane in Windows 10. Here's how you can show or hide the user folder in the File Explorer navigation pane on Windows 10. Option 1. Using folder options. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Go to This PC, local disk C: Users. Right-click your user folder and choose Properties. Check Hidden, then click OK. When asked, select Apply changes to this folder, subfolders, and files, then hit OK again. Option 2. Using the registry editor. Before making changes to the registry, create a backup. This will be helpful in case something goes wrong or you need to undo changes. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and hit Enter. In the registry editor, go to, on the right side, look for system.isPinnedToNamespace-Tree. If it's not there, right-click, choose New, dword 32-bit, and name it system.isPinnedToNamespace-Tree. You can set the value to 1 to show the user folder, or set it to 0 or delete it to hide the folder. How to restore the default navigation pane settings. If you want to start fresh, here are a few easy options. Resetting folder settings. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Click the View tab, then choose Options, Change Folder and Search Options. Under the View tab, click Reset Folders to bring back the default navigation settings. Restoring your Windows registry. Go to the folder with your backup.reg file. Double-click it to begin restoring. Follow the prompts to confirm. Troubleshooting issues. Here are some common troubleshooting issues. Some updates need extra permissions to apply correctly. If your registry modifications aren't working, try these steps. Run regedit as admin. Press Windows plus S, search for regedit, right-click it, and select Run as administrator. Check for corrupted files. Open Command Prompt and run sfc/scannow or dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. If the user folder is still showing, try these quick fixes. Restart File Explorer. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer under the Processes tab, right-click it, and select Restart. Alternatively, you can reboot the computer. Some changes need a full restart. Click Start, then the power icon, and choose Restart. The user folder gives quick access to personal files, but you can hide it for a cleaner look. Just tweak the folder options in File Explorer or use the registry editor. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to add or remove a user folder in the navigation pane of File Explorer in Windows 10, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.